Alright guys, so today we're going to be digging into this Spongebob X Wet n Wild collection. I did not receive this in PR, but I was able to purchase the PR kit from the Ulta website, and I had it within a few days, so it's just been sitting around and I've been chomping at the bit to actually dig into it. So let's go ahead and we'll jump right in. Let's go ahead and we'll jump right into this. The box that they sent this in was huge. So I think my husband had a small heart attack when he looked at the big box and was like, wait, what? Alright, so here is what it looks like on the inside. We have 3 of the makeup sponges. This is very, very cute. I was so excited for this. It's a sponge and brush cleansing pad that is supposed to be a Krabby pad. And you've got the highlighter, this palette. Me showing it to you today on camera. I have seen it on camera in different YouTube videos and reviews. Didn't really think I wanted it until I saw it in person. It is stunning. This is not going to do it justice whatsoever. We even have a cute little sponge case that looks like SpongeBob's Pineapple House. Adorable. And then we have 2 brushes down here. We have a round kabuki and a flat kabuki. And over here we have 2 sprays. This one is a hydrating and brightening primer mist. Best Friends Forever spray, adorable. And then down here we have a purifying setting mist spray. Here we have a little brush cleaning, like a soap, a little hard soap in here with Gary on it. We'll go ahead and we'll dig into these. I'll show you what they look like, and I'm probably gonna go ahead and do a little bit of a try on with some of the products as well. Oh, before I forget also, you gotta look at this. This is absolutely adorable. It's on the inside, it's very cute. I already have foundation and everything on, but I'm going to go ahead and try the setting mist real quick. I will try the priming mist here. It's really, really pretty though. The BFF Hydrating Brightening Primer. You shake it up and just look at the colors and see what the pump looks like. I about threw it. Let's not do that today. It's just got a little mister on it. It's not a horribly heavy scent. It's just a light, very pleasant smell. I'm wondering if there's some kind of coconut or something in there. Okay, so this one's the Purifying Setting Mist. This has the same scent too. It's clean, not really floral. I can't really place it. I'll go ahead and try this real quick. And there's a little bottle. You can see SpongeBob and Plankton. How many of you are big SpongeBob fans, actually yourselves, like into the show? Go ahead and tell me down in the comments below. I'm really interested to see how many actual, diehard SpongeBob fans are out there. Feels very good. It dries very quickly. It's not, like the scent doesn't linger. It still smells really good though. I won't be using these today on camera. I'll use these in another video coming up soon. There's a SpongeBob sponge. Then we have Patrick, and look at these cute little faces. He's just so happy. Grumpy little Squidward here. So this is, I'm excited for this. It's going to be the little sponge case, and this will definitely be going on my vanity. Let's open up SpongeBob real quick. Maybe. I'm telling you what, I'm starting to think this is not just child-proof, it's staple-proof. There's SpongeBob's cute little face. Feels very good. It kind of reminds me of a Real Techniques. It's flat on the other sides, but then you have a little bit of a round side down here. I'm really excited to actually try that out. Like I said, I'll do that in another video. But now, for now, we'll just go ahead and put SpongeBob in his little house. It's silicone-y. It's squishy. It kind of looks like it'd be like a hard case, but it's not. And it's got plenty of ventilation. I've had my sponges come with cases before, and I put it in there even though it looks like it's ventilated and everything well. I've had it actually, go to get my sponge after a day or so and it's had mold on it. So I'm not really worried about that with that one. I'm actually going to be trying this out because I don't have any bronzer on right now, and I'm really interested to see how this will work for bronzer. I forgot my bronzer in my beauty room. Alright, I will be right back. Well, it turns out not only did I forget it in my beauty room, I forgot where I put it in my beauty room, so I'm going to be going in with one of my backups to the same palette. It's the e.l.f. Bare Totally Face palette. I'm actually going to go in with the flat top kabuki brush. There is the Spongebob brush. Very cute. It does kind of feel lighter, not necessarily cheap. And I'll put some bronzer on here. Pretty happy with that, honestly. Feels like it gives a good application. The bristles are very soft, very comfortable. They're not scratchy. I would reach for it again, but I might actually just put it up on display. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the Sally Round Top Kabuki brush. Okay, this is adorable. Look at little Sandy the squirrel. What I'm gonna do with that is kind of buff in the bronzer a little bit. And these bristles are super soft. I will definitely be using that again. Next thing we're gonna move on to real quick, I wanna test out. This kind of caught my eye. Seeing this definitely gave me the Fenty trophy wife kind of vibe. So I'm interested to see. I don't think this is gonna work well for my skin tone. I can always use it as more of like an eyeshadow or eye topper, but we'll go ahead and give it a shot on the cheek if I can open it. I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild highlight brush. Do a little sweepy sweep here. Whoa. It's really pretty. It's a lot less potent. I thought it was going to be like a punch of color because I went in and swirled quite a bit before I put it on. And I did tap. I think it's a good thing I wore a sparkly shirt because I have a feeling I'm going to get a lot of sparkles on myself before this is over. Look how pretty. That is beautiful. Again, I don't think I'll be leaving it on my cheeks very often. I don't think I'll be highlighting with it. I'll probably be using it on my eyes. Even it up over here. Putting it down the nose might be a little much. I mean, it's definitely pretty. Don't know if on me that was a good idea. But it's a cute product. I do like it. That's the little SpongeBob highlighter. Now for the fun part, which I really should have started with this first, I have a feeling, before I even did my foundation or anything. I did that this morning. I had to get up really early and go. And I don't like going places without makeup on. Anybody that knows me will tell you that for sure. Now we are on to my favorite part. I saw this before on YouTube on different videos, and I saw this in person at Walmart, and I was like, oh yay, I got that. It's so pretty. This is the Nautical Nonsense palette that comes with the collection. See the little characters on there. You got SpongeBob, and you got Gary, and you got the jellyfish, and here's what it looks like when it's open. It is so pretty. The one I really want to use is going to be this one, and that one's called Aye Aye Captain. Oh, in person it is so pretty. Also, what's that one called? One here is called Tartar Sauce. Let's go in with shade One Eternity Later. You do get a lot of powder kickback from the palette. Now, I did put primer and stuff on my eyelid before. Let me zoom you guys in here. And I just go ahead and pat it into the crease as my transition shade. And I'm using I believe it's a Sonia Kashuk brush. Yeah, it is. Very pretty. Looks like it's blending very well. It's definitely, I like the payoff so far. I do like a combo of circles and then windshield wiper motions. Just kind of depends on how I'm feeling at the moment. Not use my normal primer today. I went over my lids with foundation and concealer this morning. I need to get some more of my favorite eyeshadow primer, and it's going to be the Milani eyeshadow primer. Oh my goodness, I love that stuff. It makes my makeup stick so well. I love that so far. So there's the first. There's my transition shade down. Again, that was shade One Eternity Later. What's next? I've got this. This is one of my favorite packing brushes. It's the Luxie 209, the large shader brush. I love this brush. And I'm just trying to figure out what I'm going to go in with next. I really want to use this one. Like I said, obsessed. think I'm gonna go in with that one, and then I will put some of Secret Formula in the outer corner and maybe bring it down under the eye. A little nervous because this is, ooh, that's gonna be a lot of sparkle. And actually, I think since I didn't actually use the primer spray on my face, I'm gonna wet my brush with it and see if that helps me keep from wearing sparkles all over my face this time. We'll find out. Oh, they're still going everywhere. Oh, but it still smells so good. It smells so good, so good. I do have some fallout still on my cheeks right under my eye, but you know, it is what it is. It's got blue and silver. Like, there are so many different things pop up. I can see pink and the glitter and a bunch of different other colors. Real quick, while I'm thinking about it, I'm going to use my Real Technique sponge here and see if I can sweep a bunch of that away. It brushed away for the most part. There's like little flecks left behind, not a big deal. And pack it into the brush so it doesn't go everywhere. Not so much worried about the outer corner really, because I'm gonna pack the Special Recipe shade in there. There's that so far. I'm gonna just kind of buff some of the sparkles off, kind of revamp that brown color. I'm having a really hard time with my eyes watering on the outer corners if I go in to do things in the outer V too much. Here, I'm gonna go in with probably my index finger and just tap in the corners and kind of blend it that way. Hopefully my eye doesn't start watering, because then that messes everything up. It's been really bad on this side lately. It's looking purple on camera, but this actually, it looks like a navy bluish purple in person. I may regret this part. Let's see, even when I put it on, it looks almost purple again on camera, but it looks almost like a purplish blue, like a royal blue on my eye. I really definitely don't want my eye to start watering. Oh my gosh, look at it, and it blends so well. So pretty. So easily blended. And the nice thing is with these, like with these shimmers and stuff in here and these glitters, like they're so soft. Like they are so soft. Like you dip into this and it looks like it would be gritty, but it is not gritty at all. And I mean, look at that pigment. How stunning. And the reflect. I mean, so pretty. And that one was shade Load of Barnacles. No, take that back, sorry. It was Me Money. Oh, this is gonna be the next one I use. I'm so excited. There's that, and this one is the shade Tartar Sauce. What does happen when I try to do my inner corner? I either do it really well or it's really bad. Be with me. Yo, let's go ahead and go in. Okay, I think I may need to wet this brush for that. I mean, it's showing up, but it can definitely be more. Wowza. Let's try it with a wet brush and see what it does. Oh, I love the scent of this spray so much. It's definitely pleasurable. It's not heavy. It's just it smells so good. Okay, so there is shade Tartar Sauce. It's not as bold as I thought it would be, and that's with a wet brush. Let me see if I can try it with my pinky. Gotta be careful because of my nails. Whoa, holy. Okay, this definitely seems to be the way to go with it, is using your finger. I'm just gonna go back in with shade One Eternity Later, and that's just the same shade that I used for my transition. And I'm just gonna smudge that on the lower lash line. And again, I may actually try to pull the Secret Recipe, Secret Formula over here in the corner. I might just pull it in on the outer like third of my lower lash line. See if smudge a little bit of this down here on the outer third. Pull this up just a little bit. There we go. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And again, that secret formula. Now I'm going to finish up by putting, I think I'm going to go ahead. Got so much glitter and stuff going on. I'm actually going to use this color, which is mayonnaise, below my brows. I want to do something very just matte because everything else is like down here. I want to keep that attention there. And I did not do my brows today. I like that, how it just gives it like a little finish, a little something. Do you have mascara on already? So I'm good there. I'm not going to put any more of that on. And I'm not going to go in with any, eyeliner today. It's fine. I'm not doing any falsies or anything like that. We're just going to let the products we have here speak for themselves. So we'll go ahead and we'll zoom you back out. We'll go over the last couple of products in the collection and I will go ahead and give you my final thoughts. So the last couple things we have are exciting. It's a cute little soap. It reminds me very much of the Beauty Blender soaps you can get at like Sephora on Beauty Blender's website. It's going to be Gary on the lid, and then you've got the little C scene on the bottom. Now inside you're going to have this solid bar of soap to help clean your brushes. Get them wet, rub them over this real quick, get them started, and then you pop on over to the Krabby Patty brush cleaner. So this is actually a sponge and brush cleansing pad. You can see Spongebob with his little Krabby Patty on his spatula. Anybody remember what he called it? I knew he had a specific name for it. I can't remember if it was spatch or what it was. Comment that down below, remind me. Cool, I thought these were all gonna be like super hard pieces of plastic. They aren't, they're very silicone-y as well. And you get different grooves. You get this one, which is the bottom of the bun. You get this one, which is supposed to be the Krabby Patty, and just sits on it like that. You get your lettuce that has these kinds of grooves to them, and then sits on there. And then the little sesame seeds, little fake sesame seeds, but then on the inside, you have that. And you just set it there together. I did get to use these. I will go ahead and let you guys know probably down in the comment box below once I get to use these, kind of how they worked for me, if I liked them. I don't know, we will see. Final thoughts on this collection. I love it. The colors I love, the range of products I love. They thought outside the box. I mean, these are things, and it's easily $20 for the Beauty Blender solid bar of soap to clean your brushes and your sponges. Unfortunately, $20, and it's probably about half the size of this one, I believe. So I mean, it's nice to see an affordable option to that. That being said, thank you so much for watching and tuning into my channel today. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below. Also click all notifications so that you don't miss my content. I've got some exciting videos coming up here in the near future. I've also have some giveaways coming up, some palettes and some different things. So be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on my other socials. They're going to be linked down in the description box below. If you have any questions, comments, any products you'd like to see reviewed, any tips, go ahead and leave them down below in the comment section. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.